In my last video, I talked about 5 things you can do to find your true self, and knowing your strengths and weaknesses is one of them. How can you find out your strengths and weaknesses? 1. Get feedback from your friends and family. Find 5 to 10 people in your life that you trust. People you can rely on to give you honest feedback, and ask them what they think your strengths and weaknesses are. When you get everyone's responses, you're going to have a good amount of data to help you analyze yourself in a tough way. If their responses from most people overlap, then you will immediately know a fact about yourself. For example, if you thought that you were a good listener and 8 out of 10 people you asked said they wish you were a better listener, then that is something you need to work on. 2. Ask yourself the following questions. Write them down on a piece of paper. What am I good at? What have others complimented me about? What have others had to help me with on more than one occasion? What projects or tasks seem to drain my energy? What projects or tasks have I spent hours doing without getting tired? What are my hobbies and why do I like doing them? Knowing your strengths and weaknesses will help you to know who you really are and help you to discover your true self. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you will find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.